Welcome, Simon. Great to have you from IDC on this call, teeing up a really great piece of benchmarking research that IDC have done for TraceLink, and which we're going to have on September the 24th. We're going to expose. The data didn't exist. The interesting part of it was pandemic data, supply chain data, what's happened with all the disruptions. So why don't you talk to us about some of the insights that you've already seen?
The insights from the survey, the learnings from the survey, I think will serve pharmaceutical companies well and well into the future, right? So, what are some of the things we found? I mean, unsurprisingly, the pharmaceutical industry got hit pretty hard with COVID. We've seen, particularly on the demand side, we've seen companies struggle mightily with forecasting, with demand forecasting. I always say that the only thing that is always true about any forecast is that it will be wrong. But at least in the past, those forecasts have been reasonably right. Right today, because so many companies rely on historical sales for future demand, and there is no precedent. I'm not old enough. I don't think you are either to have been around in the 1918 pandemic, right? But we have no historical precedent for this, and so it's hit the industry hard. Demand planning has been hugely problematic. We've seen significant transportation delays. One of the data points from the survey that I found particularly interesting was how significantly on time in full has been degraded over the course of 2020. There was one data point where instead of 74% of shipments from suppliers being on time in full, over the last few months, it's been 18%, right? So we've seen a massive degradation of performance.